There are a lot of techniques nowadays that are used for hair transplantation. Ice graft technique is one of the newest one. Hair transplantation, which was done very quickly and without any pain, became possible in 2000 due to FAİR technique. But no matter what technique you prefer, do not forget that it should be two-steps process. When you make a research about prices, almost all of hair transplantation centers will tell you that it will take only one session to do it, but don't forget that these sessions consist of two steps. First step: definition of donor area and withdrawal of sufficient amount of hair follicles. Second step: transplantation of hair follicles to the required area. These steps cannot be separated in hair transplantation process. But unfortunately, most of the hair transplantation centers do not pay enough attention to the first step. According to FAİR technique, hair follicles are collected one by one, and again these follicles are also transplanted the same way, one by one. So you might think that FAİR method is one of the most successful ones. But due to some researches, in order to make transplanted hair look shine and bright like natural, they should be kept alive. Due to ice graft technique, hair follicles taken from donor are kept in special cold chain, thus they will not lose their vitality. By using this technique, it's possible to get even better results. How is it applied? First of all, hair follicles are taken from donor area one by one like in FAİR technique. The only difference is the process of preserving of the follicles. This is very important for transplanted hair. Hair follicles are carefully kept in cold chain cases until application time. This makes adjustment process of transplanted hair more successful. Don't forget that hair transplantation lasts for about 4 or 5 hours, and hair follicles have size of a cell, so that there are thousands of them and it takes very long time. Due to ice graft technology, hair follicles are being freezed, so to say, and do not lose anything until they are implanted.